So, you're finally awake. It has been quite a long time, Link. I am much older now, but you remember me, don't you? The history of the royal family of Hyrule is also the history of Calamity Ganon. They constructed 4 mechanical wonders that came to be known as the Divine Beasts. They also built a legion of autonomous weapons called Guardians. The Divine Beasts were piloted by 4 individuals of exceptional skill from across the land.
Okay, so what's happened so far is we have learnt that 100 years ago Calamity Ganon overtook what's called the 4 Divine Beasts, which were piloted by 4 champions, which I'm guessing is the Zora, the Gerudo, the Falcon, and I can't remember the other one. Zora, Gerudo, Goron, and the Falcon. Yeah, so those 4. Those 4 were supposed to do pilot these Divine Beasts, is what they're called, and defeat the Calamity Ganon. However, Calamity Ganon managed to overtake the Divine Beasts. Whether he used them for evil, we're not sure. He managed to overtake the Guardians and obviously used them for evil and destroyed Hyrule in the process. But right now, what we need to do is we need to go to this village over here. I can't remember what she called it. And complete our Sheikah Slate, because apparently our Sheikah Slate is incomplete. So that is what we're going to be doing. Okay, so we've made our way to Hateno Village. All we have to do, we can explore it a bit, and we'll, there's a shrine just there, and we'll go speak to the person who knows how to unlock our Sheikah Slate. Okay, so we are at the village at the moment, but what I'm going to go do is I'm going to go to the Resurrection Tower and unlock the map for the area. I'm going to need to be careful with the moblin. Oh, and that moblin looks very dangerous. The fact that he has a shield is worrying, but we've got him. Okay, so this must be the lady who's going to help us unlock our memories. Okay, so we're back to the furnace. I lit most of like the torches and stuff that I saw along the way. How do you light it? Do you... Okay, there you go. Okay, cool. Okay, so if you bring ancient materials to Pura, she will upgrade your runes for your Sheikah slate. I only had enough to upgrade the Sheikah sensor, which lets me find shrines easier. But it's a start, so we'll have to be a little bit more vigilant with collecting ancient equipment. So at the moment, I was talking to some adventurers at the stable on the way to Kakariko Village, and they are talking about a mysterious treasure, which you pay 100 rupees for. And the riddle is something about the little twin bridge, and above the river's source is where my treasure lies. So I found Little Twin Bridge, and I followed the river all the way up to here, which is where the source is, and I can already see the entrance, which is right there, which I'm going to blow up with my bomb. If I can remember the right button. And we'll detonate that. And that's the source, and that's the treasure that we're looking for. Wow, that's pretty cool. So, to get the Flame Blade, what you need to do is you need to do Misko the Great Bandit, which you get from Julian Peak's stable. And what you end up doing is you'll start here, make your way to Little Twin Bridge, follow your way up this river until you get to this point here at the waterfall. Just down there is a rock, and you can pick that up and get the Korok seed. Climb up here, and you'll have to blow the entrance out here. And in the corner here, which is where you get the Flame Blade, you'll have to blow up another boulder, and you'll get your Flame Blade, which looks amazing. The texture looks amazing. So I hope that's helpful, guys. Okay, so we're going to take on Stone Talus. Shouldn't be too bad. I think the Sledgehammer will be the best option. How do you climb onto him? Alright, there we go. Just get some stamina back. Yeah, this guy ain't gonna last long. And he is down. That was really quick. That was really funny. Okay, so at the moment I'm just searching for where Link's memories are. There's a photo of him at the front of Hyrule Castle, and that's the one I'm looking for right now. It was that one there. Looks to be like directly in front of the castle, near a tree line. Yeah, this has to be it. So let's go the rest on foot. Oh jeez, hopefully. Oh, that worked. Also gotta remember the Guardians are still there as well. Alright, so this is a memory spot. One of them's seeing me! No! Can I quickly activate the memory? Yes.